Hello, yeah, welcome. So in this class, I'm going to be showing you how to quickly use templates to edit to design on Canva, all right? So in less than 2 minutes, you're going to be able to design on Canva without being a graphic designer. Let me just go straight to Canva. So what I need to do is to install Canva on your phone. So once you install it, you open it. This is the first you are going to see after you have signed up. Where you can see create your designs and templates. So this is the home page. I'll go to templates. Hence, for example, you're not a good graphic designer, right? So you can see they have templates here. I'm just going to come here. You can see we have business, social. Now, I'm just going to come here and click church. Okay, here's the church flyer. Okay, now when I say church flyer, you see that all church flyers, all right, beautiful designs will be coming up. These are different designs that you have. This is what Figma can give to you. You can see how beautiful they are. All right. So nobody will know whether you don't even need to learn graphics design in this present age before you can actually have a cool and beautiful design. All right. You can just search for any templates that you want. So I'm just going to go over to this particular one. I just click on this one to open up. So once I click on it, you see that it's going to load. All right. It's going to load up. Sure. So all right, as you can see the designs. Very easy. All right. So these are different persons. Now, if you want to write their name, you can come here and do some editing. All right. All right. You can say worship with us. Let me just make this. Let's say worship with us. Now, it's that easy to make changes. You can actually come here and make your changes here. You just click on edit. So you can come here and edit it. You can say maybe 27th of April. All right. April 2026. Right. So over here, you can come here and stretch it. That will be correct. You can come here and change the date. If you want to change the image, you can go ahead and change the image. I can just come here and say, all right, maybe I will say 9, between 9 to 11. I'll say 11, all right, p.m. All right. So I can just, now here's the date, 122. All right, you can just come here and say, can just come here and edit 11. Come on, Mission Road, Benin City. All right. Now you can actually come here and you change the image. You can move it up or down. All right. You can move the image up or down. You want to add image, go to camera roll. You can come here and edit. All right. You can add any image that you want to add. Any image, you can come here and say you can add, and your image will be here. Come here and remove PG. All right. Click on this PG remover. Just go to, so that's your background. Let's say I want to change this person here. I want to change, okay, this one, I'll delete this one, bring my hair, I will put it, increase it. All right. Now I need to zoom it. Let me zoom it so that you can see what we are working on. Now you see. All right, so this is how you can design. All right. So this is how you can design. Put your image there. So this is how you can use templates to do anything you want to do on Canva. You want to save, I just come here and click on this arrow button, and then you're going to save your image. All right, it's that simple. So if I click on it, you see it's going to say save image. All right, it's just going to load up, and then you're going to save this image, save it to your gallery. It's that simple. Right, so this is how to use. You just and it's going to save up to your gallery, just like that. Right. So this is how to do it now. Let's go to your gallery. And here is your design. All right. So you can design with just templates. You don't need to be a good graphic designer. So as far as you have access to Canva, you can design beautiful designs. All right. So I'll see you in my next class.